Hello guys, look at all these birds. Look at all these birds. Oh hell no, look at them. Look at all, oh here you go. What are they doing? They're rushing. They're rushing, look at them, oh my gosh. They're all rushing. Let's go see what's going, guys, let's go see what's going over there. What the sigma is going on, guys? What? Can somebody tell me what's going on? Because this is insane. Do you not see how much birds there are right here? Guys, what's going on? Please. There's so much birds over there. Mom, there must be eggs. There must be eggs or something. Maybe, guys, there's eggs. Or maybe there... Oh, there might be a nest over there and they're moving here. Which means they're getting an apartment, maybe. I don't know. Guys, look at all these birds. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at all these birds. Oh, no. I almost fell.
There's so many.
There's a dog right there. Look at all these birds. Look at all these birds. Look at all those birds.
So many.
There's a dog.
Must be migrating.
They must be migrating. Look at those. What the? Oh my God. This is insane. Then they have to be migrating. Okay, bye guys. This was my fun little migrating video. I have no idea what's going on, but yeah, I just saw them coming. Bye.